Welcome, learners! In this course, we're exploring arata, meaning new. You'll understand how this term can add depth to your conversations by conveying freshness and novelty. We'll create sentences like, I have a new job, this is a new opportunity, and we need a new plan. By mastering this word, you'll be able to construct these sentences in Japanese confidently, learning not only the meanings, but also the kanji and grammatical usage. Let's begin this journey towards expanding your Japanese vocabulary and conversational skills. Arata, arata, arata. New in English. This is an adjective type na that is widely used in formal settings. It denotes something that is fresh or has not been experienced before. It is appropriate in written forms or nuanced discussions about changes or developments. The kanji in the word arata is shin, which means new. This kanji is commonly found in words associated with novelty or beginnings. For instance, shinbun translates to newspaper, referring to a daily publication with current news. The word atarashi directly means new or fresh, describing something that hasn't been used or seen before. Additionally, shinnen refers to the new year, marking the beginning of the calendar year and representing a fresh start or new beginnings in many cultures. Let's focus on how arata is used in different contexts. Remember to practice shadowing for each example to help you remember better. Arata ni hajimeru. Start anew. Arata ni hajimeru. 新たに始める。新たな発見。New discovery。新たな発見。新たな発見。新たな挑戦。New challenge。新たな挑戦。新たな挑戦。新たな気持ちで with a new feeling 新たな気持ちで新たな気持ちで新たなチームメイト new teammate 新たなチームメイト新たなチームメイト新たな方法を考える。Consider a new method. 新たな方法を考える。新たな方法を考える。新たな計画を立てる。Make a new plan. 新たな計画を立てる。新たな計画を立てる。新たな視点から見る。See from a new perspective. 新たな視点から見る。新たな視点から見る。The word 新た means new or fresh. 新しい is the most direct synonym as it also means new. 革新 means innovation and implies something new in terms of ideas or methods. Kaishin implies renewal or reformation, often in a broader sense than individual items. For arata, the opposites would be furui, meaning old, indicating something not new. Kizon means existing and can be used to describe something that has been around, contrasting with something new and fresh. Finally, let's practice the word arata with some questions. Imagine you've met a new friend. You had an enjoyable time together. We want to use the word for friend, 友達, and fun, 楽しい, to describe your outing. 新たな友達と楽しい時間を過ごしました。I spent a fun time with a new friend. 新たな友達と楽しい時間を過ごしました。新たな友達と楽しい時間を過ごしました。Think of someone who's not scared to take on something new. He welcomes a new challenge. Use he, 彼, and challenge to convey this bold attitude. 彼は新たな挑戦を恐れていません。He's not afraid of new challenges. 彼は新たな挑戦を恐れていません。彼は新たな挑戦を恐れていません。Picture someone's life entering a new phase. A fresh chapter starts. Here, chapter, 章, and life, 人生, are key to describing this new beginning. 新たな章が彼女の人生に始まりました。A new chapter has begun in her life. 新たな章が彼女の人生に始まりました。新たな章が彼女の人生に始まりました。Consider how new innovations can alter our surroundings. The focus is on technology, 技術, and world, 世界, to show such a transformation. 新たな技術が世界を変えています。New technology is changing the world. 新たな技術が世界を変えています。新たな技術が世界を変えています。